Hello! Welcome back to another crafting video. In today's video I am doing a garden table makeover that I would like to match the previous decoration that I did in the last video, that flower chariot decoration. So I have used the same materials as in the previous decoration, and the only thing I have added is a combination of white, bright pink and a slight dab of orange to create this warm pink, to put some extra details on the table. I think that both decorations together look awesome, and for me they bring this kind of spring wedding vibe, so I hope you like it. And if you do, please let me know in the comments section below what you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get crafting!